Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, December 15th. And today in reading, you are going to work on learning about hybrid narrative nonfiction with Miss Heather. So hybrid is a combination of two things in one. So when we talk about hybrid narrative nonfiction, we're talking about two genres in one. So today's narrative nonfictions, you will be looking at the text when it is narrative in the form of a story and also expository. So this type of nonfiction has both genres in one. There are other types of hybrid texts where you have two genres put into one. But however, we are going to be focusing on those hybrid texts that are narrative nonfiction today. You have hybrid text assigned to you on Get Epic. And while there's nothing to turn in, no think mark today, I do want you to be jotting down notes when you see the text go from narrative to expository. Okay, so be thinking about that. Does it happen on every page? Does it happen in each different paragraph? Be thinking about that, okay? In English, today, your only job is to continue editing or revising that expert book. I know a lot of you are getting ready to finish up. You may be ready to publish, and that's great. But majority of us are still in that editing and revising phase. So if that is you, you're a person that you've edited, you don't really know what else to change, maybe ask a grown-up at home to help you edit your expert book and give them that checklist and say, where can I make improvements? All right, that's something that writers do. They want others' feedback so that they can get better. In math, that brings us to this slide that you're seeing right here. You are going to be dividing using a multiplication chart. So we're looking at multiplication and division as inverse operations. You're going to continue thinking about those fact families. You have a couple of videos here to watch before you get started. And this is a two-part activity. So today you'll do part 1, and then tomorrow you'll do part 2. Very important, when you get to this slide, the directions are over to the left. So do you see, I just kind of slid over when I got to slide 4 so I could see the directions. They say that you're going to slide the green bar up and down, and then the red one left to right to complete the fact families. So your fact family equations are over here to the right, and you are going to click and edit the question mark to find your answer. So let's think about this using 6 times 4. So if I have 6 times 4, I'm going to drag my green bar down to 6, right? Because 6 times 4, I'm thinking 6 rows. So I'm going to go to the 6th row times 4. So that means I have 4 in each row. And then where those bars meet is at 24. So that tells me 6 times 4 is 24. And if I know 6 times 4 is 24, I know 4 times 6 is 24. And then when I'm looking at this in the inverse operation of division, I'm looking at 24 being my total. That needs to be my dividend. Divided by 6 equals 4, or 24 divided by 4 equals 6. So that's how I'm using that to write out those fact family equations. So I'll reset this so it's ready to go for you all when you are working through these fact families on the right. Again, the directions, slide over. There they are to the left if you need them. In addition to that, you have another pixel art that you will be doing, they give you the expanded form, and you're going to put this in the standard form. The standard form is the number. Okay, so 9,000 plus 700 plus 50 plus 4, the standard form would be 9,754. So once you have that complete, you'll have a story revealed, and then at the bottom, maybe it's not on this page, there should be a space where you can draw a picture, but I'm not sure if I can. No, you might have to add your own text box if you want to write a story about it. Okay? Finally, in science, yesterday you watched the exploration part of the video for mystery number 2, and today you're going to do the activity portion. So you'll watch that video, but you're looking at the activity. You do not have to rewatch the exploration if you don't want to. And then your focus for the lesson is why do plants give us fruit? And based on what you watched in the exploration video and what you're going to watch in the activity video, you're going to circle your answers for each of these types of food. So the type of vegetable or fruit is here. So radish first. What do you think it is? Fruit, vegetable. Did you find seeds? Yes, I found seeds. No seeds here. What did the class decide? You can do this based on what your family decides. Ask someone at home. And you've got your pictures here to help you. Okay, so if you don't have these vegetables at home, you can use these pictures here. And then if you do have these vegetables at home, I know Charlie yesterday had her veggies out and or her fruits, and she was ready to explore that using her fruits and vegetables from home. So that's an option if your parents will allow you to do that. Finally, for Spirit Week, today is Christmas Character Day. And to upload your photos for that, you will go to Science and Social Studies class, and that assignment will be posted there. Spirit Week for Tuesday, Christmas Character Day. So if you decide to dress up like a favorite Christmas character, that is where you can upload your photos. Again, that is optional. All right, everyone, I hope you have a great Tuesday, and I look forward to seeing you all later. Bye-bye.